This is George with Melnix Automotive. In this video I would like to show you how to override a park on a Dodge Ram. If you have a Dodge Ram 14, 15, 16, 17 I think and up, if you have one of these electronic shifters like this, if you need to put this in neutral and let's say you want to tow the truck or you need to push the truck, the battery died or whatever the case may be, obviously you have to put it in neutral. With this you will now be able to put it in neutral. So for this procedure you're going to need a flat tip screwdriver, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and put that into neutral. Alright, as you can see on the driver side kicker panel, right below your headlight switches, there's a little square plastic panel right there. So what you need to do, you need to pop it open just like that, and then as you could see there's a little red strap that you could pull. But the reason why you need a flat tip screwdriver, because as you could see, you see that little square right there, you want to push in there and then pull it at the same time. You could, technically speaking, just pull it out if it's just an emergency and you're just trying to get it neutral. You could yank it out, but you know what you could do, you can bend. There's a little metal clip inside, you could bend it. So what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna go ahead and push on it and then pull on the lever at the same time. Since I'm holding the camera, I'm gonna see if I could show you that. Okay, so this is my screwdriver right here. This is the metal clip. You push on it to a side like that, and then at the same time you pull it out. So now the truck is in neutral, it's going to roll back and forth. And then to put it back, same thing. You could go ahead and push on that and release it. I'm going to demonstrate that in just a second. There you go. Make sure it's locked in. It's back in park. So that's it for this video. This was George with Melnix Automotive. That's how you put a Dodge Ram into neutral or override the park. Thank you.